Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are starting off in the middle of a hike at Sanborn County Park. So this park is one of the locals' favorite parks to hike in during the summertime, and you can definitely see why, because the entire trail, well at least most of it, is covered with amazing redwood trees. Let's take a look. Sanborn County Park was founded in the late 1970s, and today the public park has around 3,450 acres with 22 miles of hiking trails. It is known to be one of the coolest summer climates in the county, and I have to say, it's thanks to the abundance of trees in this area, ranging from redwoods, coast live oaks, big leaf maples, and a few more. This park is also a great place to hike since all of the campgrounds are shaded with great bathrooms. So there are over 22 miles of hiking trails in this county park alone, but the one that we will be taking is the Sanborn Trail, and then we are going to go into the John Nicholas Trail. Since we're not going to be doing a loop, I believe we are going to be hiking at least 15 to 16 miles today. So yeah, wish us luck. So off we go on our hike to the reservoir. Guys, so we figured out where we were. We've been hiking for almost an hour and a half now, a little bit more, and let me tell you, this is a pretty strenuous hike. Luckily, most of the trails are under the shade, which was godsend. I'm really grateful for that. But we finally figured out where we are, and it turns out that we're only halfway to the reservoir. But first, a stop at the Todd Creek Redwoods, and it was gorgeous. Now we finally got to the real redwoods. Let's talk about the John Nicholas Trail for a minute. It is a 10.3 mile long trail with a climb of 1,499 feet. Luckily, we are stopping at the Lake Ranch Reservoir, which will shave off a few miles. Thank God. The trail also has a lot of twists and turns, which happens to make downhill a tad easier for the knees and the uphill climb to be a bit smoother. But these twists and turns also means it is a mountain biker's paradise, which we did run into a lot of them that day. Alright, so the real mystery is, how in the world did this car get here? Do you see that?
We're really mad at the king because they live underground and all the town.
All right, we are down from the mountain. We're almost there, you guys. I am so exhausted. My legs are all cramped up right now, but we still have to hike back. Guys, guess what? We finally made it. Here is the reservoir. Alright guys, so that is it. We made it to the reservoir and that is it for our hike. I think it was around maybe 7.5 miles just to get here, so that means another 7.5 miles to get back. We're not doing a round trip because the round trip requires us to actually walk on the road, and I really don't feel comfortable doing that, especially with how narrow the roads are and how close the cars will be. So yeah, not doing that. So we're going to brave it a little bit and do the hike back. So yeah, but it's been a good journey. I hope you enjoyed this trip with me as well, and thank you guys so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone, happy wandering.